Welcome guys. So today we are going to solve the question number 3 of the pattern series from Strivers A2Z DSA sheet. So this question is exactly similar to the previous one, question number 2. It is almost the same. The main difference is just that we need to print the digits here instead of stars as we were doing before. So this is a pretty simple question. So So here we need to create a triangle of digits. So it is simple. We just need to print the value of inner loop variable, and we'll get our answers. So we can create a for loop here. So we will initialize both our loops with 1 because we have to print from 1, and we will go till n. So guys, because we are printing it starting it from 1, so we need to consider n also, because in the previous questions we were taking 0 as the initialized value. So the condition was to go till n minus 1, but here the case is different. We are taking I is equal to 1, so we need to go till n, and here I plus plus, and we will create an inner loop, and j is equal to 1. The same thing here, less than equal to I, because we have to print the same number of digits equal to the number of rows. That's why we will take j is less than equal to I. So system dot out dot print, we have to just print the value of j along with the star, not space, along with the space, because the digits are separated by a space, and we have to print a new line for each row. So this line will print a new line for us. So let's check whether our solution is correct or not. So yes guys, all the test cases are passed successfully, and we can now submit our code. So yes guys, our solution is accepted, and it was a pretty easy question. We just had to print the variable value or iteration value of the inner loop. So see you guys.